So Valiant, you're reaching on my inbox to send me a message as to why I never make inquiries and whatnot. I'm going to insert the screenshot guys so they can see message. I'm going to try to make it look like, say, I have a problem with Stalk Ashley remix. Like, that not have nothing to do with me. What that have to do with me? Me not say nothing about that. Me not address nothing about Stalk Ashley. Like, what the fuck? What conversation are you having? Because it definitely is a monologue of yourself you chat to with that the conversation there, because me and you not like, what?
Fresh
What?
drop.
In your message, you're going to say, what Stalk Ashley thing have to do with me? Like, I don't understand why the repetition of something that is not true or valid. I never said it had anything to do with me. The initial video that I made, let me just talk slowly to see if you can better comprehend. The initial video that I made, the disrespectful act that you did was to post a dog in the lineup with the females, and your caption read that they should choose their favorite, as if the dog was an option. And putting a dog with some females, I am saying that it implied to me that you are calling them bitches because a female dog is a bitch, so I put a dog in a lineup with a female. That's what I addressed. No, stop making accusations that I have a problem with Stalk Ashley, because I don't. Or the fact that she did a remix for Passenger Princess, because I don't. Like, I don't know where you get the narrative there, honestly. Like, me really I try. Valiant. You go block me on TikTok. I never followed you. You have to block me. You know why you have to block me? Because of the wrong person you stop with. Father Dons. Father. Brother Dons. You don't want to stop yourself. Don't do it. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Fresh job. Oh, it go.